Hello and good morning, dear students. In today's lecture of the subject insurance, moving further with the unit number 1, we will be studying economic significance of insurance. So let's see what is economic significance of insurance. Prior to that, we will be revising the concept of insurance which we have studied into the second lecture. The concept of insurance, it is not new to the society. Okay, the concept of insurance is as old as mankind. Okay, its origin appears simultaneously with the appearance of human society. Insurance is an arrangement of indemnifying the loss or risk caused by the perils to the property. Fire, flood, earthquake, theft are the probable events and are called as perils. Risk means the possibility of loss due to the perils, which is unforeseen, and loss may occur or not. Uncertainty is an important aspect of risk. Okay, so the concept of insurance, it is not new to the society. Its origin can be traced 5,000 years back in ancient regime, where the people whose property was vulnerable to the losses come together and they used to create a social fund by way of contribution. Such social fund was used to compensate the person who actually bears the loss. Okay, from the word insurance we mean a provision to compensate the loss caused to the property or asset due to unexpected reasons called perils. Okay, economic life of a man is always related with creation and production of economic values. Man spends most of its daily hours in the creation of assets through earned income or through using physical factors of production. The main aim behind this is to get satisfaction or comfort for himself or to the family. When life of such assets is exhausted, a substitution is made, but if such asset is destroyed by accident or due to unforeseen event, then he has to suffer loss of benefit in the form of comfort. Okay, he needs a mechanism which can help him to reduce the loss he has suffered. Insurance provides such mechanism which is helpful to reduce the adverse effects of unexpected happening, as the life of a man and property both are exposed to risk. When risk realizes, it may cause losses. Okay, so whenever we consider insurance, okay, what happens in insurance or why such type of provision is to be made by a particular businessman or an individual. Okay, see, in the good old days, what was happening? Okay, few of the persons, what they used to do, okay, they used to come together and they used to create a social fund. Okay, and if one of the person from that group, okay, he suffers, okay, or he had loss, okay, due to damage or destroy of his property, then through that social fund he used to be compensated. Okay, but as the years went, okay, as there was change in the there was an industrial revolution, there was industrialization. Okay, as the business grew, okay, there was a strong need to have an institute or a company, okay, who will do the same job. Okay, with this, the insurance business, it grew faster, it expanded, okay, by initiating some of the companies or some of the businesses who will protect other businesses or individuals against such type of unexpected losses. Okay, who will shoulder the losses which these individuals they used to face, okay, in the earlier days. Okay, so what is insurance? Insurance provides a mechanism which is helpful to reduce the adverse effects of unexpected happening, as the life of a man and property both are exposed to risk. Okay, when risk realizes, okay, it may cause losses. Now, whenever we consider insurance, two terminologies they are related to insurance, that is risk and uncertainty. Okay, first we will clear what is risk, what is uncertainty, whether they are same or there is a difference between these two terminologies. Okay, are they synonyms and all? Okay, let's see. What is risk? Risk means possibility of loss due to perils, okay, which is unforeseen, and loss may occur or may not occur. Okay, now whenever we consider risk, okay, what is risk? Risk means, okay, due to some of the reasons, yes, the business may suffer loss or it may earn profit. Okay, and what is uncertainty? Uncertainty means whichever is unexpected. Okay, those things which are unexpected, for example, natural calamities. Okay, due to natural calamities your business can badly be affected, right? Okay, so this is the basic difference between risk and uncertainty. Okay, risk means may or may not happen, but uncertainty means, okay, some unforeseen or unexpected things which they do happen, okay, which you can't estimate or which you can't forecast even. Okay, so whenever we consider insurance, yes, insurance covers or it is an arrangement through which the loss or the risk is indemnified to the property. Okay, then let's see the meaning of the term insurance. Okay, now the diagram which you are seeing right now, okay, you will be, okay, finding it easy, or after studying this diagram it will be quite easier for you to write the meaning of the term insurance. Okay, it will be quite helpful for you to define insurance concept, as well as it will be helpful for you to explain the meaning of insurance. Okay, see, there are certain basic concepts or basic terms which are to be studied whenever we study the subject insurance, or whenever we go through the term insurance. There are certain terms which should always be cleared, or it should be clear with you. Okay, which are these terms? See, let's first study the diagram and gradually I will explain you these terms. Okay, see, insurance is an contract between two parties. Okay, insurance is an contract between two parties. Okay, what is a contract? Contract means whatsoever which is in written in nature. Okay, means in future if, okay, in future if you want to get the amount of compensation, if you think that you should get the amount of compensation, then as an evidence you can show that document. So insurance is an written agreement, or insurance is a contract between two parties. Okay, two parties means two people or two individuals. Okay, individuals or person or people here means artificial person, or one of the party might be artificial and another party might be natural person. Okay, so insurance is a contract between two parties. Who are these two parties? Yes, the first party is called as insured. Okay, and another party is known as insurer. Okay, now let's see what is the first party. Who is the first party? Yes, insured. Okay, ज्याला मराठीमध्ये विमेदार असं म्हटलं जातं. Okay, insured. Who is insured? Insured is a person who is in need of insurance policy. Okay, insured is a person who is in need of insurance policy, and the another party towards this insurance contract is named as insurer. Okay, insurer is a person who offers insurance policy. Okay, now here insurer means literally the insurance company. Okay, इन्शुररला मराठीमध्ये विमेकरी असं म्हटलं जातं. ओके, विमेकरी म्हणजेच विमा कंपनी. ओके, सो इन्शुरन्स is a contract between two parties. Okay, who are these two parties? The first party towards this insurance contract is termed as insured. Okay, a person who is in need of insurance policy, and the other party associated with this insurance contract is called as insurer. Okay, that is the insurance company. Okay, means the artificial person who offers insurance policy. Right now, many of the time a third party is involved into this insurance contract. Okay, who is this third party? Yes, this third party is known as insurance advisor. Okay, ज्याला मराठीमध्ये विमा सल्लागार असं म्हटलं जातं. Okay, who is insurance advisor? Insurance advisor is a person who is appointed by the insurance company to make this transaction easier. Okay, who is an insurance advisor? Yes, insurance advisor is a third party, a representative appointed by the insurance company, that is insurer, okay, to make this transaction. Which transaction? Yes, the transaction of insurance contract. Okay, to make this transaction easier, the third party is appointed, who is commonly known as insurance advisor. Okay, so overall, what is insurance? Insurance is a contract between two parties, okay, insured and insurer, okay, where the first party towards this contract, okay, that is insured, he is in need of insurance policy, and the other party who is related to this insurance contract, who is known as insurer, okay, is the insurance company who offers such type of insurance contract. Okay, now many of the time, to make this transaction easier, okay, the third party is appointed, okay, who is named as insurance advisor, or who is known as insurance advisor. Why he is appointed? Yes, he is appointed to make the insurance contract easier. Okay, now in this insurance contract process, or in this insurance process, what actually is done? Yes, the person who is in need of insurance contract or who is in need of insurance policy, he approaches the insurance company. Okay, the person who is in need of insurance policy, what he does? He approaches the insurance company. Okay, after approaching the insurance company, okay, he files the documentation, he applies for the insurance policy. Yes, and after proper documentation, yes, he is asked to pay an amount, okay, which is commonly known as premium. Okay, ज्याला मराठीमध्ये विमा हप्ता असं म्हटलं जातं. Okay, what is this premium? Yes, premium is a sum or amount paid by insured to the insurance company for having such type of insurance policy. Okay, what is premium? Premium means a sum or amount paid by insured to the insurance company for having insurance policy. Okay, for getting such type of insurance policy itself, a sum or amount is paid by the insured to the insurance company, and that amount itself is called as premium. Okay, now whenever the insured pays the amount of premium to the insurance company, yes, the insurance company readily offers insurance policy in favor of the insured. Okay, now what happened? Yes, okay, the amount of premium is received. Okay, who has given that amount? Yes, insured has paid that amount to the insurer, that is the insurance company. Okay, now when such amount is received by the insurance company, yes, now they are liable to give policy. Okay, so the policy is issued in favor of the insured. Okay, पॉलिसीला मराठीमध्ये विमापत्र असं म्हटलं जातं. Okay, now yes, after payment of the premium itself, the risk commences. Means, okay, after payment of premium, if anything happens to the property, okay, then the insurance company is liable to pay you compensation. Okay, now, okay, a concept, a term actually which should be included in this diagram but it is not mentioned, that is subject matter. Okay, what is subject matter? Subject matter means a thing, a property or a person on which you want insurance policy. Okay, a thing, a property or a person on which you want insurance policy is known as subject matter. Okay, means see here, after paying the amount of premium to the insurance company, if your property, that is the subject matter, is destroyed due to some of the perils, yes, those perils should be included into your insurance policy. For example, okay, if you have insured your business property under fire insurance, okay, yes, now in that fire insurance policy document itself, okay, in that fire insurance policy document itself, what you are required to do, yes, if your business property, it gets destroyed due to fire perils or fire elements, then only the, so here, if your property is destroyed due to fire elements, then yes, if you have taken the fire insurance policy, yes, and due to this fire elements itself, if your property is destroyed, then the insurance company will readily compensate you. Okay, so after you pay the first premium itself or the first installment, the first sum or amount, okay, immediately the risk commences, and if your subject matter is destroyed, then the insurance company is liable to pay you the amount of compensation. Okay, now see in the diagram another two words they are added, claim and compensation. Okay, now as like just we discussed, okay, if your property is destroyed due to fire elements and you have insured that property under fire insurance, okay, then okay, after such type of destroy, what you are expected to do? Yes, you are expected to approach the insurance company and you are required to, yes, you are required to fill a form. Okay, what is the form? Okay, the form is known as claim. Okay, in which you request the insurance company, okay, you request the insurance company that, okay, please pay me the amount of compensation. So and so was the property, so and so was the subject matter which was insured under fire insurance with you. Okay, and due to fire element, okay, due to fire element itself, the property or the subject matter was destroyed. Okay, please pay me compensation for it. Okay, or please shoulder the loss. Is it? Such type of requirement or such type of matter might be included in that claim format. Okay, so what is claim? Okay, मराठीमध्ये त्याला दावा असं म्हणतात. Okay, after the event of loss, after your property is destroyed due to the elements or the perils which are specified in the policy document. Okay, what you are required to do? Yes, you are required to approach the insurance company and lodge a claim. Okay, you are required to fill a form in which Okay, you will be requesting the insurance company to pay the amount of compensation or pay the amount of loss. Okay, after that, after the thorough inquiry, the insurance company will be readily paying you a sum or amount. Okay, that sum or amount is called as compensation, ज्याला मराठीमध्ये मोबदला असं म्हटलं जातं. Okay, what is compensation? Compensation is sum or amount which is paid by the insurance company, that is the insurer, to the insured, okay, on the event of loss. Okay, on the event of loss, such type of amount is payable to you. Okay, now why such thing is done? Yes, because you have insured your subject matter with them. Okay, so overall, whenever we study this diagram, okay, it is quite helpful for you to understand the term insurance. Okay, so let's once revise what is insurance. Yes, insurance is a contract between two parties. Okay, who are these two parties towards the insurance contract? The first party is known as insured. Okay, ज्याला मराठीमध्ये विमेदार असं म्हणतात. Okay, who is insured? Insured is a person who is in need of insurance policy. Okay, the second party towards this insurance contract is known as insurer, who is commonly known as insurance company, ज्याला मराठीमध्ये विमेकरी असं म्हटलं जातं किंवा विमा कंपनी असं म्हटलं जातं. Okay, now who is insurer? Insurer is an artificial person who offers insurance policy in favor of insured. Okay, now many of the time, to make this transaction easier, to make this insurance contract easier, a third party is appointed whom we who is known as insurance advisor. Okay, ज्याला मराठीमध्ये विमा सल्लागार असं म्हटलं जातं. Okay, who is this insurance advisor? Insurance advisor is a third party or a representative of the insurance company appointed to make the transaction quite easier. Okay, on behalf of insurance company, they do approach the insured, and on behalf of the insured, they do approach insurance company. Okay, so this person, this medium is known as insurance advisor. Okay, now the insured, whenever he approaches the insurance company, okay, maybe he might be using the insurance advisor or he himself might approach the insurance company. After filing the documents and after filling the application form, yes, he is required to pay a sum or amount. That sum or amount is called as premium. Okay, after paying the first premium or the first installment of that sum or amount, the insurance company asks, after such type of premium is paid to the insurance company, the insured is given the policy document, or the insurance company issues a policy document in favor of insured. Okay, so in that duration, for example, if it is fire insurance, then the fire insurance is taken for 1 year duration. Okay, so in that 1 year duration, if due to fire elements, due to elements which is specified into the fire insurance document, if the property or the subject matter is destroyed, then yes, the insured may approach the insurance company and file a document in which he is requesting the insurance company to pay the amount, okay, to recover the loss. Yes, that requisite itself is the claim. Okay, and whatsoever the insurance company pays for the loss incurred by the insured is known as compensation. Okay, so overall this is the insurance. Okay, now let's see certain definitions of insurance. Okay, some of the thinkers, they have defined insurance in different ways. Okay, the first thinker, A.Z. Meyerson, how they have defined insurance. Insurance is a device for the transfer to an insurer of certain risk of economic loss that would otherwise come by the insured. Okay, Ghosh and Agarwal, Okay, how they have defined insurance? Insurance is a cooperative form of distributing a certain risk over a group of persons who are exposed to it. Okay, so whenever we consider insurance, what is insurance? Insurance is a device through which the risk is transferred to the company. Okay, risk is transferred to the company for which you pay a sum or amount. Okay, and in future, if due to the some of the risk or due to some of the perils, if your property is damaged, then the insurance company readily compensate you. Okay, so why there is need of insurance? Why a particular person should go for insurance? Yes, first one, it provides economic protection. Okay, for example, if you're running a business, okay, and same thing, okay, due to fire, one day your business was destroyed. Okay, now for example, you had stored your finished goods into the warehouse or the godown, and due to fire itself your godown was destroyed. Okay, now, okay, today whenever you were closing the godown or whenever you were shutting the godown, okay, at the time you had decided that tomorrow I will be transporting those goods to the market and I will earn so and so amount of profit. Okay, this was your mentality when you were closing your factory. Okay, now overnight what happened? Due to fire your godown was destroyed and completely those finished goods were converted into ashes. Okay, now what to do? Yes, tomorrow whenever you will be visiting your factory, okay, you will see only ashes. Okay, now what about the finished goods? What about the resources which you have invested to produce that finished goods? Yes, they will go waste. Okay, and you yourself will be bearing the whole amount of loss. Okay, but if you have insured that godown, if you have insured those goods, then yes, the insurance company will readily shoulder the loss whichever you have incurred for. Okay, then it is a good source of investment. It is a good source of investment. Okay, means if it is life insurance, okay, under endowment policy. What is endowment policy? Yes, for a fixed tenure, that is for 18 years, 20 years or 25 years. Okay, you take a policy and after completion of that duration, the insurance company pays you the amount of policy. Okay, now for that specific 20 years, 25 years or 18 years, okay, whatsoever might be the tenure or duration, okay, what do you do? Okay, each month, or it depends on the the installments, okay, or the amount of the policy also. Okay, let's consider that you are paying monthly premium. Okay, so at start of, okay, every month, what you will be doing? Okay, first, okay, from your salary or from your income, you will keep a portion aside. Okay, you will keep a portion aside for the insurance, okay, for the insurance policy itself. So it might be an investment for you as well as your family's future. Okay, then tax benefit. Okay, what is tax benefit? Okay, if you have certain insurance policies, then there might be, okay, some of the provisions through which you can have some of the benefits into taxation also. Then social security. Okay, social security in the sense, okay, if you are running a business, okay, there are certain policies which can also help you to shoulder the responsibility of the employees or the laborers who are working with you. Okay, if there is accident into your organization or your employees or your laborers, they do face certain accidents, then, okay, under some of the accident policies or personal sickness policies and all. Okay, what you can do? Yes, you can shoulder the responsibility of that concerned person. Okay, if he meets with certain accidents and it results into disablement of that person. Okay, then business needs. Okay, for example, if you do have certain goals of your business, for example, if you want to expand your business, okay, see, whenever you insure your business, okay, nothing can stop you from progressing. Okay, because many of the time, due to perils itself, your business might completely get destroyed and the business activities may be stopped. Okay, so if you have insured your business, you will be relaxed and you can have growth or expansion into your business. Then it covers against uncertainty. Okay, all the unexpected losses or all those things which can't be forecasted, those things are also insured under insurance. Okay, it generates financial resources. Okay, generates financial resources. Yes. Okay, if you have insured your business, yes, or you have certain policies, you have taken certain policies on your business. Okay, whenever your stakeholders, okay, stakeholders, who are these people? Stakeholders means all those people who do have interest into your organization. Okay, whenever your stakeholders or the investors, they realize that this particular businessman, they have insured their business. Okay, yes, they will also be relaxed whenever they invest funds into your business. Okay, because strictly or surely you will be paying them the rewards whichever they expect. Okay, so it helps you to generate the financial resources. The investors or the financial institutions, okay, they will be ready to give you or provide you the funds. Okay, then to enhance labor welfare, okay, yes, the human resources who work with you, the laborers who are part of your organization. Okay, what is the labor welfare? Yes, if you have insured your laborers, okay, under some of the policies, okay, may be related to accidents, may be related to sickness and all. Okay, in the long run, if your employee or if your laborer, okay, met with any accident and that accident results into his death or disablement, then surely through that insurance policy you will be you will be or it will be easier for you to help himself or his family members. Okay, so a kind of security will always be there in the minds of laborers whenever they are working into your organization or whenever they are working for you. So this type of assurance they do get, and more people, more and more laborers, they will work with you. Okay, then medical support. Okay, the insurance company also provides certain medical policies or medical policies and all, health insurance and all, through which, okay, the large medical bills or the large hospitalization bills or expenditures, they can be compensated. Okay, or they can be reimbursed. Okay, it is helpful to business organization. Yes, the businesses, they are established with certain objectives. Okay, one of the objectives, profit maximization, customer satisfaction and all. Okay, so whenever we think about business organization can surely progress if they have insured their factory building, they have insured their laborers, they have insured their goods which were in transport. Is it? If they insure all these things separately or jointly, then it will be helpful for them to be at safer side. Okay, and to progress. Okay, to expand their scale of operations also. Okay, then it is useful for the partnership firm. Okay, why it is useful for the partnership firm? Yes, many of the time two people, they come together and they establish a firm for earning profit. Okay, now for example, at the initial stage, if one of the partner, they met with an accident or it resulted into death of that partner, then what about your business? Okay, yes, at the initial stage you will not be able to compensate the family of that person, or to give some financial support to the belongings of that person. Okay, there is only one option to close the partnership firm. Okay, but if you have the insurance policy, okay, if you have insured your partnership firm, or if you have insured the lives of the partners, then surely the insurance company will help you to shoulder the responsibility of the partner's family, okay, or the dependents of that partner. Okay, then it also encourages savings. Yes, okay, it generates a fixed habit among the individuals. Okay, the person who has insured himself, what he will be doing? Yes, he will always keep aside a sum or amount to pay to the insurance company for the premium purpose. Okay, so overall this is the need of insurance. Okay, if you insure yourself, your life, or the business, then surely it will be helpful for you to gain economic benefits. Okay, so with this we conclude today's lecture. Thank you. This is the basics of insurance actually. So now let's move towards economic significance of insurance. Okay, what is economic significance of insurance? Let's see. Yes, see, whenever we consider insurance, okay, any person can have insurance, right, on anything. For example, he can insure his life. Yes, he can insure the property which he owns. Okay, he can insure his business. Okay, he can insure the trade. Okay, or anything in which he has insurable interest, what he can do is he can have insurance on those things. Okay, or he can insure his life also. Okay, or he can insure his life of his dependents also. Okay, so whenever we think about the significance of insurance, yes, why it is quite important to insure? Yes, it has certain benefits, it has certain advantages. Okay, what are the advantages? Let's see. Okay, from economic point of view, from monetary point of view, how it is significant. See, first thing, encouragement of savings is done through insurance. Okay, insurance encourages savings, means, see, for example, okay, if you take insurance policy, what you are required to do? Yes, you are required to pay premium on a regular basis, maybe monthly, quarterly, half yearly, or annually. Okay, these are the 4 options which are provided by the insurance company to you. Okay, now see, it is dependent on the value of policy actually, and the duration of policy. Okay, based on the value of policy and duration of policy, is it they provide you the options to pay the premium. Okay, what are the 4 options provided to you? Yes, first one is monthly, second one is quarterly, third one is half yearly, and fourth one is annually. Okay, means see, in some of the policies monthly you can pay premium. Okay, in some of the policies after completion of 3 months. Okay, means 4 times in a year you can pay premium. Okay, then half yearly means after completion of 6 months, that is twice in a year you can pay the premium. And yearly or annually means what? After completion of 12 months, that is once in a year, you can pay the amount of premium. Okay, these 4 options are provided to you. Now see, whenever it comes to monthly or it comes to annually also, okay, yes, you are in need of insurance policy, and for continuing the policy you are required to pay premium, right? Okay, now you make a provision for that premium. Is it? See, if you have XYZ amount of income, is it? if you have a specific amount of income, okay, first of all, okay, you need to keep aside the amount of premium, okay, so as your insurance policy will be continued. Okay, so in this way a habit of saving will be inculcated amongst yourself. Okay, fixed amount you keep aside, okay, you invest those funds into insurance policy, and whenever it is endowment policy, see, whenever it is endowment policy, what is endowment policy? Endowment policy means a policy which is taken for a fixed duration or fixed tenure. Okay, see, for example, with some of the motives such type of endowment policy is taken. Okay, for example, it might be your future provision, it might be children's education. Okay, with such specific motive itself you take endowment policy. See, after 20 to 25 years, whenever you will be doing such type of heavy expenditure, okay, it will be quite helpful for you, right? Okay, so a habit of savings will be inculcated. Then generation of employment. What is generation of employment? Yes, okay, see, the insured as well as the insurance company. Okay, see, whenever it is not possible for the insured to now and then visit the insurance company, whom does he approaches? Yes, he approaches a representative, that is insurance advisor, right? He approaches insurance advisor. Okay, now who is this insurance advisor? He is a representative of the insurance company. He is the representative of the insurance company, right? Okay, now whenever this we think about this insurance advisor, yes, okay, not a single insurance advisor works for the insurance company, there are many more. Okay, see, in this 21st century, as the business is growing, okay, people don't find people don't find the time to visit the insurance company, so they will be approaching representatives, they will be approaching insurance advisor here. Okay, the insurance company can provide employment opportunity in respect to insurance advisor, right? More and more such type of employment opportunities will be provided. Even okay, see, the businessman, whenever he insures his business property or whenever he insures his business, what will happen? See, whenever he insures his business property, surely, okay, he can expand the business, and when it comes to expansion of business, yes, he will be providing employment opportunities. So overall, from both the side, that is from the insurance company side and from the insured sides, okay, such type of generation of employment, it takes place. Okay, then infrastructure development. What is infrastructure development? Development of the property or the physical resources or physical assets of the company. Okay, see, whenever we consider business, okay, yes, the businessman, he insures his property. Okay, he insures his property, and he becomes relaxed. Okay, he becomes relaxed. Why he becomes relaxed? See, so whenever we consider the businessmen, okay, when they feel relaxed, surely they can establish expansion plans and all. Okay, they can expand the present business. Is it? Whenever they expand the present business, yes, they will strive harder to develop transportation, communication, as well as the property of their business, right? Okay, so it facilitates infrastructure development, then promotes economic development. Okay, see, if now whenever we consider infrastructure development, yes, surely businessmen, okay, they can develop infrastructure by relaxing their mindset, by ensuring their business, okay. Then promotes economic development, okay. See, overall whenever the business grow, okay, overall whenever the business grow, surely it has a positive impact on the economic development, okay. See, the backbone of the economic development itself is development of the businesses or enterprises, okay. So whenever we go through the economic development, okay, surely insurance helps to expand the business grow, okay, or they help to expand the businesses, and in turn it helps to, yes, to have economic development. Then facilitates agriculture and rural development. See, agriculture is the backbone of our country, right? Many is it more than 60% itself, occupation, for occupation more than 60% of our Indian population, it is dependent on agriculture, okay, or farming or agriculture itself is the backbone, or it is the main occupation in rural areas, okay. So whenever we consider this agriculture sector or rural sector, okay, what happens? See, the people, the villagers, okay, they invest all their funds into agriculture and farming, and what happens? Okay, see, whenever we consider agriculture, it is prone or it is dependent on climatic conditions, okay. See, the crops, is it, which the farmers they do cultivate, okay, due to many of the diseases prevailing in the plant, due to many of the reasons, usually the plant may go fail, okay. So crop insurance is one of the option provided by the insurance company, so that they can stay relaxed, okay. And if there is an event of loss, or if the crop gets destroyed, then surely they can lodge a claim and they can get compensation for such type of losses, okay. And they can relax while they are farming, okay. Relax in the sense, through free mindset they can move towards farming or agriculture, okay. And in turn, the rural artisans and the rural people, they can be benefited through this, because more and okay, if agriculture is prevailing, then surely employment opportunities will also be provided to the rural people, okay. Then increase in foreign exchange reserves, okay. See, insurance motivates the businessmen to have international business or international trade, okay. They can establish international market, or they international trade, or they can switch over towards international markets, okay. Whenever the businessmen engage themselves into international trade or international business, surely it results into increase in foreign exchange reserves, is it. See, in the event of import and export, okay, we will be going through the foreign exchange reserves, we will be going through the, yes, foreign exchanges, right. For example, if we establish transaction with any foreign country, surely what will happen? It will, yes, increase the foreign exchanges, because we will exchange our currency against their currency, right. Okay, so it will surely increase the foreign exchange reserves. Then facilitates the development of capital market, okay. See, the capital market, that is it the finance market, right, the securities market, okay. Now whenever we consider such type of market, what happens? See, usually as our business grows, as our business expands, is it, surely we will expand the capital structure, or we will change the capital structure. As we expand the capital structure, surely yes, we will search for the source of capital. We will invite shareholders or investors to invest funds into our organization. Yes, for this we will approach the capital market, right? There will be exchange of shares, there will be exchange of securities and all. Okay, in turn the capital market will be developed. Okay, whenever repeatedly transaction happens in the securities market, surely it will lead to development of capital markets. Okay, so in this way, whenever we consider insurance is very important, very significant. Thank you.